Hey family, this is Darlene. So this is the receipt. As you can see, 7/7/2021 is when I mailed off all the packages. You can see West Hollywood, Studio City, Atlanta, Georgia, Los Angeles, Culver City, Los Angeles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see there's 7 packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That cost me about $38.95 to mail everything out. And all of them cost about the same, about $5.50. So, waiting to see what's going to happen. I actually got an email back this morning. Let me see if I can pull that up. Got an email back this morning from one of the studios, and she was asking me if I was sending it to a different address or where was I trying to send it. And I, told her that I was, sending it to, I was sending it to where I was sending it to. And can she please forward it to the, if she can forward it to the wardrobe department. But I'm going to show you the email that came in. Okay, so I'm curious to see what happens with everything too. And as I get things in, I'll let you guys know. And then that's the whole thing with anything that we do. You got to put it out into the universe, bless it, claim it, see what happens with it. And that's all there is. There ain't no more, and then we got to like be doers. It's like do it. And what's going to happen from it, either positive or negative. And I talk to people all day long and I kind of express to them that we need to be people of action. We need to be people that do things because one or two things are going to happen. There's going to be change, right? And it's going to either be good or it's going to be bad based on, what we do. So, my whole thing is I would rather be a person of action and see what happens. I mean, what's going to hurt? You see, I got the email back. She's saying, hey, well, where is it supposed to go? And then what I like about that is she didn't just send it back to me. What she did is she reached out to me and she said, hey, where do you want me to do with this? Where is this supposed to go? So now I've given her direction. Can you, direct it to the costume department, to the wardrobe department, to wherever it is that you think that those items should go, right? So they're going to end up where they're supposed to end up. And if they end up back with me, then that's where they're supposed to end up back at as it relates to Fox Studios. And that's cool. I'm good with that, right? But I put it out there. Anyway, well, hey family, happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, and I'm getting ready to take the packages to the post office and get them stamped up with the postage on them and have them ready so I could mail them out on the 7th. And I was thinking what I might do is do work like a half a day on the 7th so I could actually mail these out on the 7th. And if I don't do that, I might go ahead and do drop them in the mailbox on the 6th, and then what will happen is they'll get mailed out on the 7th when they retrieve them from the mailbox. All right, so I'll see you in a minute. Hey family, I'm headed to the post office, and excuse my dirty windows. I ain't washed my car in a while, and I'm hoping, is the post office open? Let's hope it's open, because look, it's usually a whole lot of cars out here. Look, so we getting ready to see, because this is not the 4th of July, so I'm hoping they are open. They should be, right? So I'm getting ready to go in here and get this stuff all packaged up so we can get it all sent out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna tape while I go in because I respect people's privacy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this real quick. Okay, family, so this is what I was going to do. I'm at the post office, and I was going to get the little envelopes all metered up with the stamp. The metered stamp is what they call, and have it on each one of the envelopes and mail it all out on the 7th, like what we talked about. So what happened is the person that works inside, the post office person, was saying that they can't do that if it's over like a certain, I think she said 10 ounces, they have to put all stamps if it's going to be a delayed mailing, which is going to be a delayed mailing. I'm going to mail them on the 7th. But the thing with that is it's about $5.50 on 5 of the envelopes, and those will be all stamps. That looks tacky. I don't want them all on the front of the thing. So what I'm going to have to do, and then 2 of them, I couldn't even get regular stamps on them because they're over 10 ounces. So I would have to get the meter stamp. And they don't put the meter stamp on packages and you mail them out later. They have to go out the same day. And I'm like, wow, you guys just really just messed up my whole plan. So this is what I'm gonna probably do. I'm gonna probably just take a half day on the 7th and come and then mail everything off, because I'm literally like right down the street from the post office. So, that'll work out for me. And I was like, you guys just messed up my whole little day. Right? Just got my whole floor all messed up. But anyway, that's how this is gonna go. So it'll work out either way. And because I don't like to videotape other people and have them like included in video and that kind of stuff, I might just take a picture of once they stamp it, like take a picture of everything, or see, maybe just kind of slip in a little video or something, and so you can see that I'm actually mailing, or even like the receipt, where you can see the receipt where I've actually got it all together and shipped it all out. So okay, just keeping y'all informed about what I'm doing. I'm excited about this because I'm curious to see like what's going to happen from it. So you know what, we'll all learn. All right, talk soon.